Hey, it's Leo here. I apologize for not bringing my signature rockin' fedora today because my fucking mom didn't pack it in the bag. Well, I'm not in the city anymore. I'm at the village in a vacation house thing. I don't know how you say it. But yeah, first I was against it because I don't want to be in a hillbilly hole in the middle of nowhere. But it's kinda nice. Look at all this fucking nature, man. It's quite relaxing. And I thought maybe a peaceful walk in the park will make me feel better, and meditate. Here I don't have to I don't have to endure the pain of watching other couples being happy, outside. Here there aren't any teenagers, just usually old people. So I won't be jealous here. Damn, look at the size of that bridge. Can you see it? Yeah. Well, I'm being here. I'm gonna meditate. And when I return to the city, I will become a stronger man, physically and mentally. Hmm. Look at this. It's such a beautiful place. Yet I don't get to enjoy it with a beautiful girl. It's unfair, quite honestly. Hmm. Oh, bee. I'm afraid of bees. You know they have a thorn. A thorn? Oh, a sting. I bet it hurts. I never was stung by one though. Well, but if a bee showed up in front of my girl, I would save her. I would take the hit for her because I would do anything for a girlfriend. Anything. Here's a little waterfall here. I hope you can see it. Let's take a closer look. Oh, okay. Probably can see it now. This is my last refuge on Earth. When I go back to the city, it's gonna be total war again. The war against man to get myself a girlfriend. I'm almost out of time. I will record more later. Then check this out. Hey, it's me again. Welcome to another video. So right now I'm at the waterfall. Can you see anything? It's too fucking bright, so I can't see anything that I'm recording. There we go. Now I can see it. Nice. When I get a girlfriend, I will bring her here. It will be our own little secret. Oh man. Now I wanted to explore this more, but this place is pretty inaccessible. Nah, it would not be safe. I could trip on the slippery rocks. So I think I'll return for now. I don't want to return. I won't be forever. I want a girlfriend! I also come here to scream. Scream to the universe. Crying, why won't I have what I deserve? Maybe I shouldn't scream too much, because the villagers here could be alarmed and think I'm in danger or something. They're pretty nosy, you know. I have a problem. I had a little issue in my house with plumbing, and like a lot of people crowded around my door just to know what was happening and trying to help us out. So, gotta be careful because of those meddling villagers. Well, oh, this is probably private property. I shouldn't be here. It has a lot of corn. Well, let's just take a little look. Damn, it's huge. I would like to explore, but I could get in trouble, so no. Hey, I had a little idea. Why won't I sit under that waterfall to further my meditating? Yeah. I bet I will reach nirvana or something. I will come back like a sage awakened, you know. And you know, the girls would all push the sheds aside for me. They all wanted to know where was I and what was I doing. I bet I will be a very interesting guy. Let's explore this bridge a little further. Let's see what else we got. I hope I don't stumble upon a snake. I saw one the other day. That will be scary. I saw it there. Now I think no one heard my autistic screeching. Hey, I think we didn't take a good look at the mountains. Look at this, how beautiful. I'll try to get a better view next time. Where's the mountains? Oh yeah. No, we can do better. I'll take care of it. I feel revitalized after this walk. You know, I think I'm feeling already stronger, you know. More badass, more like a man. You know, surviving here in the wilderness. You know, I can survive anywhere. With chats or without them. I will slay all my enemies. Because I am the fucking strong. Is that a bee? Is that It's a bee! It's a bee! A bee! A bee! Please don't save me! I think. Oh my. Oh my god. Was that a fucking bee? Jesus Christ. I thought I was gonna die. Jesus fucking Christ. This place is dangerous. Fuck bees, man. Yeah. Just too afraid of bees, man. They're fucking dangerous. I think there's nothing wrong in fearing them. You know, people fear lions. It's pretty natural. I think the same applies also to bees. Hey, check this out. Is that Superfly?
Superfly!
What? Did you? Can't see shit, man. Is that Superfly? Damn, I can't see anything on my phone. I hope you can see it. Is that a fucking JoJo reference, guys? Oh man. You know, I couldn't leave the video without making a JoJo reference. Where is it? There it is. You think I could live there? Who knows? I wouldn't mind living alone. That Superfly guy was pretty badass, if I say so myself. Well, this is it. This is the end of the video. And I wouldn't end it without the JoJo reference, of course. So if you like this video, like that motherfucking smash button and subscribe. Yeah, if we can get to 1,000 subscribers in a week, I'll send nudes. So do it, bros. Signing out, Leo here.